Hey, welcome back to Niki's Kitchen. Today I'm so excited because I'm cooking some curry shrimp and white rice. It was so good. Listen, when I tell you this was really good, it was so good. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more amazing videos. So I'm gonna start by preparing my rice, and as you can see, I'm washing the rice. I washed it like about 3 times, and once I wash that, I set it on the fire to cook. I added some salt, and I also added some butter, some margarine. Once I added my salt, I covered the pot and let it cook for about 5 minutes on high flame. Once it started boiling up, I turned down the stove to medium, and once it was like near cooking, I turned it down to very low. So here I have some rainforest shrimp. This is the one with the shell, so I had to go and shell those, and I also washed the shrimp using vinegar and lime. You won't see that, but that was done. So here I am, my shrimp well clean. I'm using all purpose. I'm using curry, and I also have some green seasoning which you're seeing there, which I'll also use. You can also check out my video for the green seasoning recipe of what I used for that. So I added my all-purpose. I'm now adding the green seasoning, and I'm gonna add some curry to the shrimp, but I'm also gonna, we say, burn the curry when I start cooking. So here, just mixing my seasoning, blending my seasoning with my shrimp, or with the shrimp. So once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and burn the curry. I'll be using some coconut oil, which you can see there. And then to this oil, once it's hot, I'm gonna add my curry, and you want to just toss that in the oil. And once this is done, I added my shrimp and also kind of mixed that burnt curry with the shrimp so that the shrimp get that rich curry color. So that is what I'm doing here, but it already is smelling so good and just flavorful. So I'll just continue to turn these for a minute. Then I added some water and left the shrimp to cook. I came back and checked on it after a couple minutes. They started to look real good, and I just went ahead and kind of flipped the shrimps a bit, and I'm gonna leave this again for some more minutes for it to cook. I came back, but this time I added something to give it a little buzz. I added some, can you guess what? Some heavy cream, and oh my goodness, this just did what it was supposed to do. It gave it such a great flavor. It was so good. So I'm just adding much of that, and once I'm done, I'm gonna let this to cook for a few more minutes. done, and this is it. That's the final look for the curry shrimp. Oh my god, it smells so good. And this is the rice all done, well cooked, and it was so good. Like everything was like on point, was really nice, was really good. This is such a quick meal. It's a nice meal to prepare, like when you don't have a lot of time, you can do this and it's so good. So you can try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. This is it. I just added some cucumber on the side. Well, let me tell you, I cannot say how much nice this was. I cannot say too much. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please try this and let me know how it was for you. Bye now.